Nurse Hansen, I'm concerned about the high number of missed follow-up appointments for our physiotherapy patients. This can hinder their recovery and lead to complications.
That's a valid concern. We need to improve our follow-up procedures to ensure patients attend their scheduled appointments.
One option is to send automated reminders to patients before their appointments. We can also consider offering flexible appointment times to accommodate their schedules.
That's a good idea. We could also follow up with patients by phone or email to remind them of their appointments.
It's also important to address any barriers that might be preventing patients from attending their appointments. Are there any transportation or financial issues that may be affecting their ability to come in?
We should assess each patient's individual needs and provide support if necessary. We can explore options such as transportation assistance or payment plans.
By implementing these strategies, we can improve follow-up rates and ensure that our patients receive the necessary care for their rehabilitation.
It is so important to start moving around as soon as you feel ready after your procedure, MIHIRAA, because early mobilization is a vital part of your journey toward recovery. When you gently get out of bed and walk, it helps your blood circulate much better, which significantly lowers the risk of developing complications like blood clots or chest infections like pneumonia. Moving your body also encourages your lungs to expand fully and keeps your muscles strong, which gives you back your independence and often means you can return to the comfort of your own home much sooner. First, bend your knees and roll slowly onto your side toward the edge of the bed. Use your arms to push your upper body up while simultaneously swinging your legs over the side. Once you are sitting on the edge of the bed, stay there for a full minute to make sure you do not feel dizzy. Only when you feel steady and balanced should you slowly stand up, keeping your back straight and breathing deeply.